Arabic letters can look simple, but once you learn their shapes and sounds, they unlock a whole new world of reading. Today, we'll meet the letter Jeem and the short vowel Kasra. And at the end of the lesson, you will also learn how to say a very common phrase in Arabic, Ma'a salama, which means goodbye. Hello, welcome to Dr. Oulhaj channel, where learning Arabic is simple, fun, and family friendly. In today's lesson, you will discover how the letter Jeem works, its sound, its shape, and how it connects to other letters. You will also learn the short vowel Kasra, which gives letters the E sound. By the end of this video, you will be able to read and write real Arabic words using Jeem Kasra in addition to the letters you already learned, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, plus the short vowels Fatha and Dhamma. Let's jump in. Meet the letter Jeem. Its sound is J, like in the English sound in the word jam. Listen carefully. J, J, J. And look at its shape, a smooth curve with one dot below. Like all Arabic letters, Jeem changes shape depending on where it appears. At the beginning, it looks like this. In the middle, it connects on both sides, as in these examples. At the end, it looks like this. No matter what the shape, the sound always stays the same. J.
Ta, J, Taj, J, U, Ju, B, Jib, J, A, Ja, B, Jab, Jaba, T, Jabat.
Now it's time to practice writing the letter Jeem. Print out the handout I shared with you in the first comment, grab your pen and get ready to follow along. Let's practice writing the letter Jeem. Full form. Start with a curve, close the shape, and don't forget the one dot below. Initial form. Small curve and open to the left, and add the dot below. Medial form. A line connecting both sides, curve, and dot below. Final form. Curve, close the shape, and the dot underneath. Now let's write the full word. First word, Jubab. Start with Jeem, then Dhamma. Next, Ba, one dot under, then Fatha above, then another Ba and dot. That gives us Jubab. Let's practice writing the word Taj. Start with ta, 2 dots above, then alif, finally Jeem with 1 dot under. That gives us Taj. Now let's learn a new short vowel, Kasra. Kasra is a small line under the letter like this. It gives the letter a short E sound. So if this is J, this is J. Let's read this chart together. Ba, bu, bi. Ta, tu, ti. Tha, thu, thi. Ja, ju, ji. Let's practice reading a few simple words with kasra. First word. T, a, ta. J, i. Taji. B, tajib. Second word. Tabij. T, a, ta. B, tab. I, tabi. J, tabij. You are already reading Arabic words with the short vowel kasra. Please go back to your handout and practice reading more words with kasra on your own. Now let's learn a very common expression in Arabic. When you want to say goodbye, you say مع السلامة. It's the most natural and widely used way to say goodbye in Arabic. I will say first مع السلامة and you repeat after me. مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Great. Let's practice with someone else.
مع السلامة. مع السلامة.
Excellent. Now you can say goodbye in Arabic just like native speakers. Great work today. You learned the letter Jeem, its sound, its shapes, and how to write it. You also learned the short vowel kasra, and you read real Arabic words combining Jeem with other letters. And you even practiced said goodbye in Arabic. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who want to learn Arabic. And don't miss the next video. We will explore the next letter, ha, and build even more reading skills. See you next time. مع السلامة.